I'm Paul, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. In that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, opening doors to financial opportunities they never thought was possible. Not only have I shown people how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free, but I've also helped countless individuals save big on holidays and make credit work for them, not against them. And here's the kicker: I've been able to help multiple people secure funding in the hundreds of thousands, even as young as 19 years old. With the right strategy, anything is possible. If you're ready to take control of your credit, unlock massive rewards, and access funding that can change your life, you're in the right place. Let's make it happen. So, getting approved for an American Express card can feel like cracking a secret code, but what if I told you there's a way to get into their system and improve your chances of approval without even applying for a card first? First up, let's talk about the data mining strategy. Here's how it works. By becoming an authorized user on someone else's American Express card, you're essentially creating a backdoor entry into the American Express ecosystem. When the primary cardholder adds you, you need your details, your name, date of birth, email address, and guess what? That information is now officially logged into the American Express system. Why does this matter? Because it increases your chances of getting pre-approved or receiving a pre-selected offer from American Express. They already know you, so you're no longer just another applicant coming out of nowhere. Step number 2, why being an authorized user alone isn't enough. Here's the thing: just getting into the American Express ecosystem isn't the golden ticket. You need to meet their underwriting criteria to truly benefit. This means that you have no negatives on your credit file, no late payments, no collections, and definitely no charge-offs. A healthy credit score, ideally in the mid-600s or higher, to even get considered. And let's talk about the concept of bucketing. If you have negatives or a weak credit profile, American Express might approve you, but they'll treat you as a high-risk individual. This means lower credit limits, stricter terms, and tougher times upgrading your cards in the future. Not ideal, right? Step number 3 is how to build a strong application profile to maximize your chances of approval. Here's the game plan. Clean your credit file. If you've got negatives, focus on cleaning them up first. Dispute errors, negotiate pay for deletions, and make sure your credit report is spotless. Authorize users on an established account. The best account to piggyback on are old standing American Express accounts with no missed payments and low utilization. Why? Because the longer and healthier the account history, the better you'll look when American Express reviews your profile. Utilize your credit wisely. Even as an authorized user, ensure your personal credit behavior aligns with American Express's expectations, low balances, consistent payments, and no risky credit activities. Step number 4 is timing. Once you've been added as an authorized user, give it some time, say a couple of months. This allows American Express to collect data and start considering you for pre-approvals. You might even start receiving email offers without ever applying. Step number 5 is avoiding common pitfalls. Now let's address some of the common questions we get. Can you apply even if you have a negative? Technically, yes. Sometimes applicants with negatives slip through American Express's system and get approved. But here's the downside: you're likely to end up with their lowest tier of credit card with a small credit limit and limited opportunities to grow your accounts. If you're serious about building a strong relationship with American Express, it's better to wait, clean up your profile, and apply when you're in a position of strength. Think long term, not short term. And then the final step is the benefits of doing it right. Here's why the process is worth it. If it's done correctly, you're likely to get a higher starting limit and access to better card options. American Express is known for its premium perks, travel rewards, purchase protection, and exclusive benefits. Why not set yourself up for success to fully enjoy them? Building a strong relationship with American Express opens doors to their top tier cards like the Platinum or the Gold cards, down the road. So, in conclusion, use the authorized user strategy to get into the American Express system and ecosystem of data mining. Clean up your credit file to meet their underwriting standards. Be patient and strategic. Timing is everything when it comes to building your credit profile. This method isn't about gaming the system, it's about understanding how the system works and leveraging it to your advantage. Getting accepted for an American Express is just the first steps of mastering your credit, and that's exactly why I've put together a completely free credit masterclass with over 2 hours of content showing you everything that you need to know in order to get a 999 credit score in 2024. So check this video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to turn credit into free travel and a source of income.